It is one thing to create an app or an automation to improve the efficiency of a few individuals. It is a whole nother thing to deploy it at a company-wide scale. Luckily, in Power Platform, we have a very robust application lifecycle management or ALM solution that manages governance, development, deployment, and maintenance of the solution created to take a project from POC to large-scale deployment. Let's see how it works. So far, we've been creating our apps and flows in our sandbox environment, which is limited to development and testing. Let's review what we have created so far. There's the Power App that's now been updated to connect to their claims management backend through the over 1,000 supported Power Platform connectors. We even made some improvements to the app to include a chatbot which connects to the underlying data connection and is able to answer questions about the data, like which handler has the most caseload. We have the late payment prediction flow we created, as well as the settlement approval flow and the two SAP flows we created, all of which are being tested for accuracy and issues by a select subset of users. We of course have our processes from process mining, including claims processing, claim settlement, and settlement approval, which uses task mining. In the solution view, I can easily create a new solution and add all the objects created for our improvement initiative to that solution. The solution will not only support simplicity in moving the solution from the testing environment to a production environment through export and import, but more importantly, it provides version control through managed solutions, so that I can maintain different versions of the solution and potentially roll back to a previous good version if something starts breaking in the production environment, which is extremely important for something we will be deploying to a lot of users. Once I've added all my objects, I can see it reflected in the solution, including apps, flows, and processes. There's even a solution checker feature to ensure all the artifacts work together as intended with no conflicts. Once I've imported all my objects, I can publish and export the solution as managed so it can be imported into the production environment. Once complete, I just need to download the solution zip. Through the Power Platform Admin Center, I can easily create a production environment to deploy the solution. I can define the region and type of environment, add Dataverse if needed. Importantly, I can restrict access to the environment so only people in a specific security group can access it. For this production environment, we will make it available company-wide. Once my production environment is created, I can easily import my downloaded solution to this new environment.
Once the process is analyzed, we can share the process to not only enable analysts and solution architects from the COE team to do the analysis, but also share it with the relevant business users.